Good morning and welcome back to Maths class, children. Today we will start question number 11, children. Up to 10 I have explained you how to do, and question number 11 I am expecting you yourself will do. Only I will give you the hint and what you have to do in this sum and why we have to do in sum. Okay, so I am expecting you will do yourself. So we will start discussion from question number 11. 3,190 children participated in Independence Day program. If 55 children from each school participated, then how many schools would have participated in the program? The question is, first you will write total number of children participated. Okay, children, in this first total number of children 3,190 children. So you will write total number of children participated in the program is 3190. This is the first statement. Now नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन पार्टिसिपेटेड फ्रॉम ईच स्कूल. हर स्कूल में से कितने थे 55. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ स्कूल. हाउ मेनी स्कूल्स वुड हैव टू, so number of schools you have to find out. What you will do, 3,190 divided by 55, you will get how many number of school participated for Independence Day program. I hope you understood. So division part you will do yourself, children. Okay. If you are having problem, okay, it's okay, because sometimes the children they are not knowing how to divide, children. If you are not knowing how to divide, today I am explaining one more thing, children. Okay, because in the 6th standard you have to do, so let us start with that also. How to cut, I am teaching you that also. Okay, if you will write statement, you will write yourself. I am showing how to cut 3190 divided by 55. Okay, so children, when you will find out the number of students, not only you have to write only the number of student, complete statements. Number of schools was there, number of schools. Okay, that was 3190 divided by 55. This is only hint I have given to you. Okay, if you are not knowing how to divide with this greater number, but you should know. But then also, children, in 6th standard we will do the cutting method. So by which number both? This is this number and 55. 3000. Okay, 3,190 and 55 will be divided. We will think that number जो दोनों को क्या कर देता है, डिवाइड कर देता है. 31, this was I think number, yes, जो दोनों को ही डिवाइड कर दे, that is 5. सबसे पहले जिस नंबर के पीछे 5 होगा और क्या होगा, 0 होगा, that number is divisible by 5. 5 1 जा 5, 5 1 जा 5. So 5 से इसे डिवाइड किया 11. We will do this. 5 6 are 30, 5 3 is 15. अब 30 में 31 में से 30 माइनस किया 1, 1 and 9 19. Okay, 19. Then wait, 5 6 are 30 and here will come 5 3 is 15. 15 and 4, 19 minus 15, 4 will come. So it will become 0 and 4, 40. 5 8s are 40. I hope you understood. अब आप 11 किसी टेबल पे नहीं कटता है. 11 किसी टेबल पे नहीं कटेगा. तो 11 से आप 638 को डिवाइड कर दीजिए डायरेक्ट. ओके, कैसे कैसे करेंगे 11 से डिवाइड? यू सी कि 638 जो है जब भी डिवाइड करोगे, 11 6 तो नहीं जाएगा, 11 5 सा क्या हो जाएगा 58. ठीक, सॉरी 55, सॉरी 11 5 सा 55. 63 में से 55 माइनस करेंगे 8, देन 11 8 सा 88. So you will get 58. This is the method, that other method I have shown to you, that you will use in 6th standard also, children. So now 12th question, let us discuss 12th one. 82 marbles can be filled in one box. How many boxes would be needed to fill 8,532 marbles? How many marbles would be left? Children, in this sum, first of all, you will write total number of marbles to be filled in the box. That is 8,532. और कितने boxes में भरने हैं? Sorry, कितने marble एक box में भरने हैं? The number of marbles in one box. That also you will write. And how many marbles? कितने boxes चाहिए और कितने marbles रह जाएंगे जो नहीं? What will you do? Number of boxes निकालने के लिए then again same way 8,532 divided by 82. जो रिमाइंडर रह जाएगा that will be, जो डिवाइड करेंगे and what is left, that will be the number of marbles left, कि उतने मार्बल बॉक्स में नहीं आएंगे. I hope you understood. Now, in this question, you can't use division by cutting method. Here, long division method, children, you have to use in this sum. जैसे 8,532 मैंने लिखा. 8,532 को आपने किससे डिवाइड करना है? 82 से. जब आप 82 से डिवाइड करेंगे, पहले 1, 82 ones are. ओके, देन 5 माइनस 2, 3. अब यहाँ से कॉपी किया 3. अभी भी ये नहीं डिवाइड होगा. 33 इज स्मॉलर देन 82, सो यू विल पुट 0 एंड देन 4 कॉपी करेंगे. अब ये किस पे जाएगा आप करके देखिए. 8 4 जा 32 होता है, 4 पर जा रहा है, मतलब 8 4 जा करें 32 तो कम आ रहा है. मल्टीप्लाई करके देखिए आप. 4 2 जा 8. ओके, जा रहा है ये. 4 2 जा 8 and 8 4 जा 32. So children, 14 minus 8, 6. So how many marbles are left? 6 marbles are left and 104 boxes are required. Statements you yourself will write, and here I have shown how you have to find out कितने marbles रह जाते हैं. So here this method, because it is not completely divisible, तो आपको cutting वाला method नहीं use करना. Question number 13. A school accepted rupees 4,711 as a donation. If the amount is distributed among 42 children equally, then how many rupees will each child get? How many rupees would be left, children? So same way, children, total amount and total number of children. Same way as we have done question number 12, you will do 13 question. Same way. कितना रह जाएगा? Long division method से remainder will be that much money will be left. Okay, school का कितना amount था वो लिखेंगे. donation का कितने बच्चों में equally distribute करना, number of children to be distributed, that is 42, and then each child will get लिखेंगे, that is 4,711 divided by 42. और कितने रह जाएंगे? वो जो डिवाइड करके रिमाइंडर आएगा, दैट मच. 12th सम की तरह आप करेंगे. 14 क्वेश्चन. हर्षिल्स फीस फॉर स्विमिंग फॉर 5 months इज ₹4025, है ना. 5 months की फीस कितनी है? 4025. इफ ही गोज टू स्विमिंग फॉर 1 year, हाउ मच? तो क्या करेंगे? ऐसा क्वेश्चन भी I think I explained, okay, in the previous video. Fees for 5 months. Rupees 4,025. Now children, fees for 1 month. तो 1 month की फीस कम होगी. That means you have to divide 4025. अब मैं कटिंग मेथड ही आपको दिखा रही हूँ. That is divided by 5. But full year 1 year की फीस कितना होगा? Then fees for 1 year means 12 months. तो 12 मंथ्स की ज्यादा होगी तो ज्यादा के लिए मल्टीप्लाई. सो चिल्ड्रन व्हाट आई देयर इज अनदर वे आल्सो. पहले आप 5 से डिवाइड कर दो. 5 8 जा 45, 0 2 डिजिट इकट्ठा, 5 5 जा 25. देन 805 इंटू 12, क्योंकि 12 मंथ्स की 1 मंथ से ज्यादा होगी, ज्यादा के लिए आप क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई. 12 5 जा 60 and 12 eights are 96. So answer will be rupees 9660, children. Okay children, so I hope you understood and you have to finish all the sums. If any doubt comes, you may write in the comment box. Okay, here I am able to see only the 15th one. If there are more questions, you finish. Same type of questions, only you have to think और try करिए आप.